As we were saying, a cup of oil.
Now we add 3 eggs. We have them here.
Already prepared.
And you do a teaspoon of vanilla.
Así se va.
If you don't have a teaspoon, your cap is the same size of a teaspoon. So you put it here. And then
You must have a wooden spoon because the metal
can mess up your starter pack. Your bag. And then you can refrigerate.